Want to program a new or replacement key fob for your 1998-2004 GMC Sonoma? It's a straightforward process you can do yourself, saving time and money compared to dealership programming. This video will guide you through each step. These models utilize a basic keyless entry system, making DIY programming very feasible. Your Sonoma's key fob transmits radio frequency signals at 314 MHz to the vehicle's receiver module. This receiver, located in the driver's door or under the dash, decodes the signal to control door locks and the panic alarm. Programming involves syncing the fob to this receiver. Before programming your key fob, ensure all conditions are met for a successful process. First, make sure all vehicle doors are completely closed. The vehicle must be in the off position, not running or in accessory mode. Ensure no vehicle alarms are currently active. You'll need your key fob with a fresh working battery. Be patient during the process, as timing is crucial for success. This procedure applies to all 1998 through 2004 GMC Sonoma models. To begin programming, turn the ignition key to the on position, then back to off rapidly. Repeat this process a total of 3 times, leaving the key in the off position on the 3rd time. This activates the programming mode. Then, within 15 to 30 seconds, press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on your key fob simultaneously until the doors cycle. Your key fob is now programmed. If you have multiple key fobs to program, repeat the button pressing process for each fob within the same programming session. This allows you to sync all your remotes at once. Ensure you program all desired fobs during a single session. If key fob programming fails on your 1998-2004 GMC Sonoma, start troubleshooting with these common issues. First, check that your key fob has a working battery. According to repair data, dead batteries account for 40% of programming failures. Use a multimeter to test. The voltage should read around 3 volts for a fresh battery. Second, inspect the driver's door for corroded wiring. The keyless entry module often fails due to corrosion in the door panel connections. Clean or replace any corroded wires to restore functionality. Third, verify your aftermarket key fob's frequency compatibility. GMC Sonoma fobs operate at 314 MHz. Many users report issues with incompatible frequencies. Consult a compatibility chart to ensure your replacement matches. Finally, ensure all vehicle doors are fully closed. A door ajar sensor will reset the programming mode prematurely. Double-check that no doors are open before and during the programming process. Aftermarket key fobs from brands like Keyless Ride or CarQuest offer affordable alternatives to original equipment manufacturer replacements. These programmable remotes replicate essential functions such as locking and unlocking doors, as well as the panic button feature. Lithium batteries provide a reliable solution to extend the lifespan of your key fob, addressing common issues with aging electronics in older vehicles like the GMC Sonoma. Always check compatibility specifications before buying aftermarket key fobs to ensure they work seamlessly with your specific GMC Sonoma model year and features. While DIY programming is cost-effective, remember that this system is older and potentially vulnerable to signal jamming or theft. Older key fob systems use basic radio frequencies that can be intercepted or jammed using signal repeaters. Consider using signal blocking pouches for your fobs when not in use to prevent unauthorized access. If you encounter persistent issues, consult a professional mechanic to rule out hardware faults in the vehicle's receiver module.